Welcome to the screencast about ExpressJS using Mongoose and Handlebars.js. This is basically all about creating a little web application that's using ExpressJS that allows tutors to register subjects and then students to show which subjects they are interested in getting tutored in. So in this tutorial you'll learn about ExpressJS, how to start ExpressJS project, how to install dependencies, how to exclude known modules from GitHub, then ultimately how to send data from URLs into ExpressJS, and we'll touch on forms, and we'll also touch on flash messages. So we'll basically start now by starting up a project using npm init, and then once we have done that we can install ExpressJS. So we use --save to ensure that the dependency is stored into the package.json file. So now we'll start create the index.js file, which is basically where we'll start setting up ExpressJS. So now what we'll do, we will require Express, and then once we have Express up and running, we'll basically instantiate the application instance. And then we have the application is up, we will create a constant variable for the port number where the app will start up on, and then we'll say app.listen on the port number, and then once we have the port number up and running, we'll basically say that callback will get called when the server is up and running. We will say this little message to the screen that the server started up successfully on the appropriate port. So once we have that up and running, now we will save that, and then you can go to the terminal, run that, node mon, say index.js, we run that. If we go to the browser, you'll see if you go to 3007, it'll tell us there's nothing happening, so we need to add a default root. Do that saying app.get, add a / and then we say function response, and then in this case we're going to say send that to the client, and now we say let's tutor, so let's save that, and then what you will have is let's tutor displayed on the screen. So now we have a basic ExpressJS server up and running. So what we want to do now is we want to look into how do we put things into Git. So what I want to look is the node modules file. We never want to check that into GitHub, so we need to add that into the git ignore file, the node modules file. So Git should ignore that _node_modules / save that, and if we now do git status again, you'll see that it will not include the node modules file. The node modules file is not there now. The git ignore file is there, which is a new file. So now I can add everything to Git. Once we have everything in Git, we basically want to say git commit -m, and you say express example project. Initial steps. So once I committed that, everything is there, git status, everything should be clean, everything committed. So now I have a little Express project, and we started to set things up, install, and we're done now with the initial parts.